need someone to pinch me because this view cannot be real. Hey vlog! So guys, I am currently in Los Angeles. This doesn't even feel real when I say it out loud. I am so excited. I cannot even explain to you how I feel. Los Angeles has always been a dream destination for me, one of my dream destinations to be honest, and I finally made it! I'm so excited! So I've already been here for a week or so. It's not my first day here, and my first thought was to film the whole trip, but then I changed my mind because it is my first time here, and like I said, Los Angeles has always been one of my dream destinations. So I just wanted to be fully here and enjoy every single moment, and I didn't want to feel distracted or anxious that I have to film content for my YouTube. However, I decided to film 2 24 hours with me in Los Angeles videos. I'm not sure if this is going to be the title, but this is the main idea for my videos. So I will just take you with me today. So I'm currently doing my makeup. I'm going to do like a quick everyday makeup look. Also guys, my skin is not skinning at the moment, unfortunately, because I don't know, maybe because of the whole trip, the fact that I do my makeup every single day and I spend many hours outside in so many places. I don't know, I do have some, I don't know if you can tell through the camera, but I have some tiny breakouts here and there, and this is really annoying for me because my skin was very clean when I was back home, and now it has its moment. I'm trying to not let it affect me negatively because my skin really affects my mood, but it's okay. I'm sitting on the floor because I don't know, for some reason I like to do my makeup sitting on the floor, and also have this very beautiful view, so this is the best spot I would say to do my makeup. So like I said, we've already been here for like a week or so. When I say we, I mean me and my husband. So we've already been to many places in Los Angeles, and today we're not sure what we're doing actually, but now we're going to have brunch somewhere and drink some coffee, and then we will see. I will just take you anywhere with me. Guys, Los Angeles is literally a dream. Everyone here is so perfect for me. Everything looks perfect, and I really wish I could stay here forever. I will definitely come back, that's for sure. My 12 years old self is screaming. Also guys, I'm on a mission to find Justin Bieber. I think I've mentioned this before on my YouTube channel. I've mentioned my obsession with Justin Bieber. We are so close, like we're in the same place, and at the same time I cannot see him. I cannot find him anywhere. This is a mission for me till my last day here, to find him or see him from afar somewhere. I don't know. So far we've only seen Brooklyn Beckham, which we had a small interaction. Actually, he looked at me 3 times and I waved at him, and then he smiled at me. And we also saw Michael Ratner and his wife Lauren Rothberg. We were in the same restaurant the other day. I was this close to go there and just hug them. Hopefully I will find Justin. Okay, so anyway, I need to finish my makeup. So guys, this is my makeup. This is what it looks like. I went for something very natural. And also I put my hair into a ponytail because I didn't really know what to do with my hair, to be honest. I put some jewelry on, I have my sunglasses, and let me show you my whole outfit. So this is my whole outfit. Cute. So guys, we are on our way to the Earth Cafe. I'm sorry if I mispronounce things. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. We went there the other day and it was really nice. It was such a nice spot, and we had one of the most delicious apple pies there. And also we tried their coffee and the matcha latte. And I think I'm gonna have again the matcha latte today because it was delicious. Queen! You have arrived to your final destination. And I would also like the tasty egg panini. I would also like the salmon scrambled here.
Excuse me, do you sit here?
sorry, no,
Okay, it's okay. Thank you.
We're gonna do taste this together. Guys, we just had a very delicious breakfast. If you ever visit Los Angeles, definitely go at Earth Cafe and have breakfast there. And also definitely order their matcha latte because it's delicious. And now we're on our way to Santa Monica and we're going to Venice Beach. I'm very excited. We're also planning on renting one of these bikes there. It's gonna be so fun. I can't wait. Also guys, I wanted to tell you that you can follow me on Instagram if you want, because I post there every single day and you can see more of this trip there. I know that by the time these videos will be uploaded, I'll be back home, but you can still find me on Instagram and see more of me in general and more of this trip. Guys, we made it! Now we're going to rent a bike. Just rented one of these bikes. So fingers crossed I will survive. Okay, let me try. Honestly, this can't be real life. I wanna cry. I've been here for like a week and I still cannot comprehend everything I see here. I I don't know, guys. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I will just say that this cannot be real life. So guys, now we're on our way to find something to eat. It's like 5 p.m. and still we haven't had lunch. We're thinking about something Mexican. We will probably go at the Chipotle and have a burrito or something. Guys, we got the goods. Here we have the chips with cheese. We also went for a chicken burrito. And we also have beef tacos. These are the tacos. And here is the burrito. Good morning! Hi guys! As you can tell, it is the next day. Yesterday after lunch we just went home and I took a shower, and then later we just ordered dinner and I went to bed. We were so exhausted. We had another very long day. And also today I woke up at 6 because today we are going to Disneyland! I've been waiting for this moment since I was a young girl. I am so excited. I can't wait. And I decided to just take you with me. I'm not gonna film the whole day, that's for sure, because again, I just want to be fully there. But of course I will just film a little bit and I will show you around and I will take you with me as much as I can. Also, we just bought breakfast. Let me show you what I got. So we stopped by this coffee shop. It's called Winchell's. We both got a bagel with bacon and egg. We also got a cinnamon roll. And of course, we also got a glazed donut. Okay, now I'm gonna eat my bagel. And I think I will see you in Disneyland. Hey guys, please excuse the mess in the background. I just woke up and jumped into the shower. I didn't do anything else. As you can tell, it is the next day. I'm currently doing my makeup again. So I didn't finish the vlog yesterday, so I'm about to do it now. Guys, before I finish the vlog, I want to start with you that yesterday I had one of the most amazing days in my life. Honestly, everyone should experience Disneyland once in their life. I wish that for everyone because I had the best time there. So first we visited the Disneyland park. We saw so many Disney characters. Everything there was so beautiful. We saw the Mickey and Minnie house. We saw Donald Duck. Everything was perfect. And then we visited the Disneyland Adventure Park, which is more like adult friendly, I would say, with all the extreme scary roller coasters and everything. Of course, we rode every roller coaster. And also, if you ever go to Disneyland, guys, don't miss the drop tower. It was one of the best things I've ever experienced. It was super scary and so cool at the same time. The adrenaline was that high. So yeah, I tried to take you with me as much as I could. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, I feel like I'm gonna leave this video here so I can start a new one. Thank you so much for watching. If you come this far, please subscribe to my channel and like this video because it helps me a lot. You can follow me on Instagram. I post there daily, and I will have the link in the description box, and I will hopefully see you to my next video. Bye.